Good morning everybody. Today I have done a video through my laptop computer and then I've just uploaded this to YouTube, and I've now embedded this into my next demo, which you are now seeing. And as you can see, that I'm now a one screen video with my wonderful face there talking to you. But if I click on my video again, or another video, I've now got 2, 3, even 4 videos all playing at the same time. But if I wish to have one of those videos enlarged on a bigger screen, I can just simply click on the top right to enlarge video, and all the others now are running, as you can see down below. This is, I think, another first for anybody to integrate 4 YouTube videos with 3 little ones down the bottom. And we can also now do a share across all the social media with one click to share your news feeds and everything else. Speak to you soon later on in the week with some more updates on It's Caller Plus. Have a great day. Bye bye.